Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, and possibly the next one or two, depending how much footage I get, I'm headed out to Wilson Lake, out in the middle of Kansas. Never been there before. Supposed to be a good lake. I've heard good things, good smallmouth, good largemouth. But my buddy Rennie was heading out there, had a campsite already, invited me out, so packed up and hit the road. So I'm pretty excited. New lake, supposed to be a good one. So we'll see what we can get into. The trip is not off to a great start because about 4 hours into the drive, it's a 6-hour drive. 4 hours into the drive, I stopped to get gas and realized I left my wallet at home. But shout out to the truck stop in Colby, Kansas for taking Apple Pay. Otherwise, I would have been stranded in the middle of Kansas with a quarter tank of gas. So I was able to get some gas. I was also able to get some cash off Apple Pay. So I'm just gonna go for it. No turning back now. And just hope that I don't get pulled over or any other situation where I need my driver's license. So anyway, yeah, hopefully that's not an omen of things to come for this trip, but knock on wood, all that good stuff. Yeah. All right. We're about little less than an hour out from the lake. That's not going to make sense in the video though, because in the next part of the video I'll be on the water, like right now. All right, we made it. Wilson Lake looks cool. Quiet, no boats at all. Seen a few fish jumping. But yeah, there's some good looking structure up here. I'm on the north side. There's a big old point coming out on the north side. I'm over there checking this out. Our camp is actually right across there, so if it turns out there's some fish over here, we could probably just launch from camp and head over here tomorrow. So figured we'll check it out, see what's going on over here. Rennie had a spot down on the south side this morning while I was driving out. He got here yesterday, and he tried a spot down south this morning and only got a couple 13 inches. So I'm starting up here. He actually just drove up here, so he's loading up. He'll be out here pretty soon too, so just gonna see what we can find. Just had something jumping over here. Probably not a bass, but worth finding out. Water is super low. No, not that I've been here, but you can just tell it's low. Rennie also said he's seen some signs where it's supposed to be 15 feet and it's only like 2 feet, so they're clearly drawing it down. So I don't know if they're going to be up on the bank, but we're going to try. Okay, I got something fucking big. Guessing it's a striper, but oh my god, is it pulling? Yeah, it's gotta be a striper or wiper, whatever. Oh my god, this thing is enormous, whatever it is. Yeah, that's a wiper. And that is a good one. Holy crap. Oh, jeez. Oh my God. That might be the biggest fish I've ever caught. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Look at this friggin' thing. All right. Okay. Yep, I know. Oh. £8, 10 ounces. God damn. I'm pretty sure that's the biggest fish I've ever caught. Look at that friggin' thing. Wow. Alright, you can go. That was crazy. That thing was pulling some drag. Another big one. I guess that's another striper. Wiper. Yep. Tis. Oh, stop it. Don't you hook me. There we go. Wrong flavor, but it's alright. It's catching fish. We're not in a tournament. Found a whole pile of little wipers back here. I just got 2 on my last 3 casts, so let's see if I can repeat that with the chesty running. Oh, there we go. See? Oh, geez, that one got in a tree. Oh, no. Where are you going? Oh, did he get off? Oh, I think he's still on there. I don't know how I'm going to get him, though. Oh, I can see him there, stuck on the branch. Oh, what are we going to do here? I can see him down there. Oh, there we go. Got him. Oh, let's get some slack here. Little fella. Come on. Oh, there we go. A little bit, not terrible. Oh, wait a minute, that's a smallie. Nice. Oh, hell yeah. That's the flavor we're looking for. Not worth putting on the board, but at least it's the right flavor.